Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files from Google Drive to Google Drive from mobile. So this video helps you. Be sure to like, subscribe, really support channel, keep motivated to just do this. And if you understand something, be sure to comment. I always reply. So yeah, enough talking. Let's start. So what I want you to do is simply open up the Google Drive app on your phone or the website. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to open up the app, and then once finished loading, it's going to show you the home page. As you see here, and you see many stuff, but if you want to add something, what you simply do is at the bottom right corner, click on this plus new thing, and then select what you want to upload. If it's a folder, Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide, or you want to scan, I'm just going to click on upload, and then as you see here, it's going to show your videos, camera. You can select if it's your images, audio, let's say. I can select what it is, let's say Travis, the man Hugh, yeah. Or you can select carbon pods, or you can click on here 3 dots and click on documents and click on download the document and just select one. Let's say I want to upload this. So it's going to upload files. Your one file is being uploaded to your drive, and then once it's finished uploading, you can find it. Here I have it, TikTok guide, yada yada. So if you want to share it, you can click on these 3 dots and then click on share. And then click on manage access and you can manage it. So I hope this video helps you. Have a fantastic day. Like, subscribe.